Hello everyone, and welcome back to my new video. Like I'm making this video after a very long time, but uh, it's just because of time constant. Nevertheless, let's start the video. Today I'll be covering till last video. I have covered how to set up a AWS server and run any Python algo, and today moving forward. I'll move forward and we'll cover how to run any Python algo in AWS server effectively. Okay, when I say effectively, means it should not cause any error, and you should get all the ideas like how it is happening and all. In today's video, I'll be covering how to run a Python algo in AWS server and how to schedule it using Crontab. And before that, just one thing, in I'll be coming with more and more videos, and my future plans are like how to create OHLC, and then how to create an algo for open range breakout, both for cash as well as bank nifty, and then how to create a straddle using premium price. Okay, not just based on strike price but on premium price. So please, if you're watching this video, please subscribe to my channel for all the few upcoming videos. Okay, and I'll be uploading next video only when I cross 1000 subscriber. Currently it's only 153. So if you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe it. Fine. So let's, without waiting further, let's start it. Okay, this video will be there in two parts. So let's start the first part. Start the first video. So let's go to our AWS instance. Okay, let's connect it using web. So I've already created a Python file here, that is test.py, that will just print 123 starting from 1, and will wait for 1 second after printing every number. Okay, so this is a file, test.py. Let's run it and show you what it does. Okay, so it will start printing 1 2 3 4 till it's in a loop. Okay, let's end this. Okay, so let's say let me run it again. Okay, and let's say you have lost your connectivity and your server is closed. Okay, let's close it. So that Python program is already running, right? So let's go back to my instance again and see. Now that is not there, right? You have already lost it, but no, you can find it from using a process command, that is ps aux, give enter. So you will get all the process running in your server. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, I am not able to find it. Fine, so you will be losing it, right, when your server is closed. So instead, that you what you can do is you can go to screen. Okay, that is nothing but that will open a new window in your terminal. Okay, that this is a new window in your terminal. Press enter. So now whenever you come back to this, you can go to this screen and it will be resumed as it was. Okay, so now let's run your uh, Python script. Okay, it's printing, right? So let's disconnect it. Okay, let's connect back again. Okay, now this is the home page. Now we'll go back to that screen. Okay, how to go back to that screen is you have to give screen -r for resume. Okay, so this is your screen and it's still running, right? So you will never lose your running algo. Okay, so this is the advantage of screen. Okay, when you want to go back to your main home page from screen, you have to give control a and d. Okay, a for Africa, d for Delta. Okay, control a d, and you are back to your home page. Now if again you want to go back to screen, give again screen -r, you will be there. Okay, so and yeah, to stop your Python algo, you have to give control C. Control C, your Python script has ended. Okay, Now to close a screen you have to give exit. Okay, so as you can see here, screen is terminating. So why I'm explaining this is to, like, whenever you are running your algo, you should never run your algo in your terminal home page. Okay, because if connection lost, you'll never be able to see all the displays, all the print statements you are getting in your terminal. Okay, nevertheless you can go to ps aux, where you can find all the process running and kill it. Okay, so yeah, and there is another concept of multiple screens. Okay, let me open multiple screen. Okay, this is the first screen. Let me run here again the same thing. Okay, it's running, right? Let's go back to our home page. Control A D. I'm there in my home page. Let's open another screen. Okay, this will open a new window, not the same screen which we are already using. Okay, this is a new. Okay, so just I'm giving here pi algo here, nothing, just to identify which screen is there. Now we'll go back to home page, control A and D. Okay, so now if I want to go back to any screen, if I'll give screen hyphen r, it will ask me which screen do I want to go. Okay, so I'll be getting both the screen numbers, right? So I have to give the screen numbers. So let's say 4276. Okay, so here we are. So this is the screen, and let's go back again to home page. Now again give screen hyphen r. It will again ask you which screen do you want to go. Let's give 4265. Okay, sorry, screen hyphen r 4265. And so we can see that our script is still running. Similarly, you can run your algo and you will be getting all your displays. Okay, now let's end this. So I hope you would have understand the concept of screen. So always use a screen, but in future, like when you are very confident of your algo, you can use Crontab for scheduling it. You don't even have to come and check what all errors you are getting or what all prints you are getting. Okay, so now one more concept is there. Let's say all the displays which you are getting here, if you want to get in a file, so what you have to do? So here you have to give python 3 and then your algo name test.py, and then it should append to a output file. You can give anything, let's say output test.out. Okay, if I run this, what it will do, it will print all the statements in output test.file. Okay, so now my script is running, right? Let's go to home page. Okay, now if I give list command, I can see this file, right? Out test.out. Now let's open this cat out test.out. So it's not opening, right? Why? Because I haven't given a command to run it in a dynamic mode. Okay, so till the program is running, I won't be able to open this file. Okay, let's go back to that screen. Okay, we have to, so 4265. Okay, so yeah, let's end this script. Now let's give list command. Now try to open our test file. It will open and it will show all the prints, right? So see, I'm getting it here. So yeah, to run it dynamically, like when your algo is running and still you want to check the outputs, what has been written to your console, you can do it by giving python 3 hyphen u and then test.py, then append into, let's say I'm giving dynamic name. Okay, just to be sure. Okay, let's run it. So it's running, right? Let's go to home page, control ad. Okay, give ls. So I can see here we have this output, right? If I want to open this, give tab cat and then name of the file and open it. See, I can see all the outputs, right? So again, if you give, you will get the refreshed file. See, display still 25. Again, if you open it, you will get the refreshed file. Okay. If you want to open it in a dynamic mode, you can give tail -5 and then your file name dynamic. Okay. So yeah, these are the importance of using screen commands. Okay. So whenever you are running any algo, what you have to do is always use python 3 -u, then your algo name, and append into some file. Okay, so that all the reports, all the logs of the console will be saved on some file. Okay, so that will be helpful for you to refer. Otherwise, if it is printed on terminal and if you by mistake have closed your screen, that will be lost, right? You cannot recover it. So that is the importance of screen. Always run by using screen. Okay, always run your algo by using screen. Okay, fine. So that is it. And yeah, to check all the process number, right? If you have let's say if you have already running your algo and you have lost it, but that algo is still executing, how you can go back to that and kill that running algo? So you have to give ps aux. Okay, so see here, this command I have given, right, and that is still executing, so that will be shown under process. Okay, so now I have to kill it to terminate this run. Okay, so what command you have to give? Kill -9 and then the process number. What is the process number? That is 4328. 4328. Okay, and then enter. Sorry, not 4328, 4314. Okay, then enter. Okay, so it has terminated that. Let's go back to PSAUX again. Now you see there's no python 3 hyphen test.py, right? So that is over. So let me like summarize what all things I have covered. First thing is, you should never run your algo in your home page of your terminal. Okay, you should always use a screen command and run it in a new window. Okay, second thing, you should never run your algo by just using python 3 and your algo name. Okay, you should always give python 3 -u your algo name, and you should append it to some output file. Okay, so like whenever you want, you can just refer it back. Okay, those are all things we have covered. And okay, and I will be explaining how to like schedule it using Crontab in the next video. So thank you guys, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with more and more videos and very interesting videos, and I'll make your life easier for algo trading. Okay, all the best. Thank you.